Welcome to the network page on Contra. This will be you and your team's hub to manage your entire freelancer network. One of the key benefits of Contra is your ability to build a bench of freelancers you can work with now and in the future. First, you can invite freelancers you previously worked with or connected with into your Contra network. Second, you can search through the Contra network for new freelancers and invite them to join your network. As you continue to build out your network, you'll see how quickly and with confidence you'll be able to kick off your next project. Let's show you. Send a project proposal in a few easy steps. Add basic information, payment details, and scope. Sign the contract, and your project has officially kicked off. We've also made it incredibly easy to search through your network to find freelancers from your and your team's network to fill the needs for your next project. You have the ability to search by skills, projects, availability, previous project notes, tags, and much more. Leveraging the Network Hub is the easiest way to organize and partner with the perfect freelancer with confidence and speed.